going on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you how to properly clean and maintain your pruning shears. In order to maximize the lifespan of your pruning shears, you need to clean and maintain them appropriately. Luckily, this is very easy to do, but you need to know a few things first. First off, most good pruning shears are not made out of stainless steel. They're made out of high carbon steel. High carbon steel is harder than stainless steel, can be sharpened to a sharper edge, and will maintain the sharpness of its blade much longer. The second thing you need to know is how to properly clean and maintain them, because high carbon steel is not resistant to corrosion like stainless steel is. It's very important that we clean and disinfect our pruning shears after every use to remove any debris and sap so we don't damage or dull the blade, as well as remove any viruses or infections that could spread from tree to tree. It may at first be tempting to simply wash them with soap and water, but that could corrode the high carbon steel. So what I actually like to use are disinfectant wipes, and these are just a generic version of Lysol wipes or Clorox wipes that use ammonia as an ingredient to kill viruses and bacteria. Alternately, you can also use isopropyl alcohol wipes. So I take one of these disinfecting wipes and I make sure to clean the blades thoroughly, and this is nice because these are low lint and they will not make your pruning shears overly wet. Then once your shears have been cleaned and disinfected, we want them to fully air dry. After your pruning shears have been cleaned, sanitized, and are fully dry, now you need to lubricate them, and it's important to coat these with a thin layer of some type of oil to prevent rusting and oxidation. There are a variety of different oils that you can use to accomplish this. Some people even like to use WD-40, but my favorite thing to use are clipper oils that are made for beard and mustache trimmers. This type of clipper oil is good to use if you have neglected your clippers and you need to use a thicker oil. If you maintain them really well, this spray type of lubricant and disinfectant is awesome. It also kills germs. And if you're interested in any of these products, I will make sure to link them in my Amazon storefront under the list Garden Accessories, and I will also place direct links in the video description for these products. My favorite product to use is this spray disinfectant and lubricant, and all you have to do is make sure that your pruning shears are disengaged, and then you just spray around the hinged mechanism and make sure that you cover all of the high carbon steel with the oil, and then just take it and squeeze it a few times to make sure that you work that lubricant into all of the joints. You will feel it penetrate into the joints, and it will become easier and easier to operate the pruners. And then you simply take a piece of toilet paper or a lint-free rag or a paper towel and just lightly wipe off the excess lubricant, but make sure that you leave a very thin layer on, because it's that layer of oil that's going to prevent the high carbon steel from rusting. And that's all you need to do to clean and maintain your pruners. Now just store them in a cool, dry place until their next use. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.